Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to place cursor in LTspice. So basically what you'll need to do is run analysis, and right here you'll see a scene graph or other graph, and to put cursor just right click it and click on place cursor on active trace, and now you'll be able to move that cursor how you need to, and if you need to put second cursor you can do that too. So let's say I want to measure something like this, and I will be able to measure it with the two cursors. If you select a different graph, you can also put a cursor on different graph. So just click like this, and now you'll have three cursors that moves around the graph. So that's basically how you add a cursors in LTspice. If this video was being helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.